Imagine a cascade of cans. A glittering waterfall of your favorite beverages. All lined up and ready for a refreshing dip. The Polder Refrigerator Can Dispenser is not just an organizer. It is the silent sentry of your sodas and a guardian of your cold drinks. This ingenious device keeps your refrigerator's heart beating steadily, for it prevents a disorganized mess and ensures a steady supply of cold cans. Furthermore, it is a testament to clever design, boasting a sleek, compact profile that fits neatly into most refrigerators and onto countertops, thereby maximizing your space. With its BPA-free plastic construction, you can trust that your drinks are stored safely and securely. The gravity feed system is the secret behind the Polder Refrigerator Can Dispenser's magic. Like a faithful vending machine, it ensures that when you pull one can out, another automatically rolls down to take its place. Consequently, you will never have to rummage through a jumble of cans again. Nor will you have to worry about a warm soda being mistakenly taken. Moreover, it holds up to 10 standard-sized cans, which means you can stock up on your favorite beverages and always have a cold one waiting for you. It is a small but mighty appliance that brings order to the chaos and provides a solution to a common household problem. This clever contraption transforms your fridge from a battleground of beverages into a peaceful and harmonious landscape. The Polder Refrigerator Can Dispenser is a simple solution for a cluttered fridge, but it has a massive impact on your daily life. Therefore, with a quick glance, you can see exactly how many drinks you have left, and you can easily restock when the time comes. Ultimately, it is a small investment that pays huge dividends in convenience and organization. And so, it is more than a dispenser. It is an architect of order, a dispenser of serenity, and a keeper of cold drinks, ensuring your refrigerator always feels like a well-stocked fortress of refreshment. Pros: quality construction, keeps cans in line, easy to put together, fits any size can, really. Compact, accommodates 3 different sized cans, works perfect on the smallest setting, easy to fill in a smooth dispense, easy to clean acrylic, aesthetically pleasing, very sturdy once assembled, economical space saver, adjust the width for different cans, great for keeping the cardboard out, holds up well. Cons: may not be sturdy, cans may get stuck, plastic may crack, holds only a few cans, assembly can be difficult. Features: holds 10 soda cans, ideal for refrigerators, can be used on countertops, fridge organizer. Easy to use, beverage dispenser, durable and practical. The Polder Gravity Feed Can Dispenser is a practical and efficient way to organize your beverages. Made from BPA-free plastic, it can hold up to 10 soda cans and is an ideal fridge organizer. The gravity-fed design ensures easy access to a cold drink. It can also be used on countertops, making it a versatile and durable beverage dispenser for any space. The Polder Gravity Feed Can Dispenser is a compact and efficient solution for organizing beverages in your refrigerator or on your countertop. Made from BPA-free acrylic, it's designed to be durable yet aesthetically pleasing. This dispenser is easy to assemble and clean, and its adjustable width allows it to hold up to 10 cans of various sizes. With a smooth, gravity-fed dispensing system, while some users find it sturdy and a great space saver, others have noted potential issues such as cans getting stuck, the plastic cracking, or assembly being difficult.